So that's not Kiwi that's barking, that's Tenny, and Tenny is like a little terrier mix, and he has a little like security shirt, like a little like tank top that won't fit around his belly. It keeps literally riding up. He's so cute. Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director, and we're filming from my home, and I'm actually going to be sharing with you my personal wellness routine in this video. Oftentimes I'm asked, what are the products that I'm rotating into my routine? What does my morning look like? So I'll show you some of my favorite wellness goodies that I love to do at home. So first up, I love to start my routine with a burst of vitamin C. So from Goop, I've been trying their new Goop Glow Morning Skin Super Powder. Now this is going to be a blend of vitamin C, E, and CoQ10, which is really great antioxidant protection from the inside out. This is really great for getting your glow going and almost give you that lit from within radiance, which I really love. Now these are super easy to incorporate into any routine, because they come in little sachets that you can pour directly into lukewarm water. I recommend lukewarm because I feel that it blends a little bit easier and it also boosts your metabolism. So let's try it actually here on camera. I'll show you here. I'm going to open up the sachet. I have my glass of water here, and I'm going to pour the powder directly into the water. Then I'm going to take a little spoon and give it a little mix. So now I'm ready to take a swig. So good. It's got like a gentle sort of citrusy flavor that's really great for kind of waking me up, kind of alerting my senses and getting me ready for focus for the day, which I really love and enjoy. Just a glass of this each morning is going to have all sorts of benefits for you, including protection from oxidative damage from the sun, and it really helps to maintain the feeling of firmness and elasticity in the skin, which I really love. So next up is a product that I've been using for quite some time, almost a year now, and it really helps to encourage a zen state of mind for me. I oftentimes struggle with focus and clarity, so this product has really changed my life. So from Moon Juice, this is the Super U Daily Stress Management Supplement. Now, I take 2 capsules every morning with my Goop Glow, and I really find that this helps me to kind of chill out and really help me to find a center and a point of focus for my day. Now, this is going to feature a potent blend of adaptogens like ashwagandha and reishi mushroom that are really great for kind of increasing the body's natural ability to cope with stress, which I love. I mean, there's often times when I'm moving around a lot and my environment gets a little crazy and haywire, and this just helps me to kind of take a deep breath, find myself, and really connect to what's happening around me. I love these. These are, again, honestly, I can't say enough about them, like, truly. I'm like, what else can I say? I'm like such a freak about these products. They're really easy to incorporate into any routine because you can take them even on an empty stomach, which I love. You're just going to take 2 capsules, and like I said, I take it right with my Goop Glow, so I'm getting a double dose of beauty. Yum! Now, another reason why I wanted to call this product to your attention again is because Moon Juice just released a new mini size. So if you want to give the product a try but don't want to commit to a full bottle, you get a full 15-day supply.
Now make them kiss.
That was definitely for the bloopers. So now that I've begun to work on my zen from within, I can work on the area around me. Sometimes the space that I'm working in makes just as much of a difference if I can really kind of find a point of grounding. So what I love to do is introduce a fragrance into my routine. I'll put it on my clothes or kind of on my skin, or maybe even spritz it in the room around me while I'm working. And this just helps me to kind of reconnect, another way to engage my senses and to help me find focus. So oftentimes when I'm doing my wellness routine, I reach for this fragrance from Maison Margiela. This is Replica, the Lazy Sunday Morning. So anytime I'm out and about in the world and I get a little flustered, this fragrance really brings me back to my happy place, which is at home, spa days, putting on a mask. I really love it. So let's give it a little spritz. It's really soft and relaxing and super inviting. Like, that's what I really love about this fragrance. It's kind of reminiscent of like soft skin or like bed linens. It's really gentle almost, really approachable. So I love this because it's easy to wear. I can even layer it with other fragrances if I want. So if I, finish my wellness routine and I want to throw something when I'm headed out the door, this will layer perfectly underneath. So there's definitely moments when I have a little bit of extra time and I can kind of luxuriate in my wellness routine and kind of kick up my skincare game a notch. So to do that, I love incorporating this set here from Sephora collection. Now inside you've got 3 stones that you can use to kind of massage and work product in. So I'll tell you a little bit about each stone, and then maybe if you want a little bit more help with massage, we can do a separate video for that later. Be sure to drop that in the comment section below. So I love incorporating the stones into my routine because not only are they beautiful to look at, I just feel like they sort of boost my mood and my energy overall, which I think is really great to incorporate into any skincare routine. So each one of the stones has a unique shape that you can kind of activate different areas of the face. This one here, the opalite, I love to use anywhere on the face, and it's nice to kind of stop and massage the temples with to help encourage lymphatic drainage, which is going to help to give you a little bit of a glow overall. Then you've got this one here, which is the gray agate, which is the shape of a gua sha. So it's really kind of hugs the contours of the face and is really great for helping to lift and sculpt, which I really love. And then last is a little eye press here, which is made of rose quartz. This is really great for gently massaging an eye cream, and you can work right out to the temples again and give the temple just a little extra love. So last up, we're ready to apply a mask, right? Of course, that's the epitome of the at-home spa day and self-care. One that I love to grab anytime I feel like I need just rejuvenation overall is the Youth to the People Superfood Skin Reset Antioxidant Mask. Now this is really great because it's got spirulina, microalgae, kale, and spinach, which are all superfoods that are really great for recharging the skin and doing just that, hitting the reset button. So I feel like if my skin is ever out of whack and I just need a little bit of balance, this is nice. Now this is going to address a lot of concerns like dullness, loss of elasticity, just because it's infused with a lot of antioxidant power in all of those superfoods. Think of it almost like a green smoothie, but for your face. Now let's try it on. Okay, so I'm going to grab my mirror here, and I'm going to set it down so I can actually look down in the mirror while I'm working. So I'm going to actually be applying this with the Sephora Collection Pro Shadow Brush number 10. Now, I actually recently fell in love with using a smaller brush to apply my facial mask because I can actually target particular areas like my T-zone or whatnot. I love to scoop a little bit of the product out and apply it right to the back of my hand. And instantly, as I have it sitting on my hand, I can feel the cooling effect that the mask has. That's why I love to do this one, because it's very sensorial. It feels really nice on the skin. Let me go ahead and clean all the rest of the product off. I don't want to waste a drop. And then, if you notice, this brush is kind of like a spade, so it fits into tightly around the nose too, and I can kind of keep it away from my under eye, which you don't want to get this too close to the eye area. I'm really falling in love with this kind of like precision application. So I'm going to scoop up a little bit of product with a clean brush, and I'm going to apply that to clean skin. And I love to start right here around my nose because that's where I tend to be the most congested. So I can take it and apply a generous layer and smooth that out across my porous area first. That's where I want to start. Because anytime I feel like I have congestion or like my skin needs that reset, it's going to be right in here. And I think that this, while I'm applying this is a really great time to talk about really listening to your skin. This moment for you to do your wellness and your skincare routine is really about connecting to you. So take the time that you need to really listen to how your skin is feeling, So I can take that up just at my temples, and then I'll bring it down to meet in just a moment. But let's go ahead and start working on my nose. I can work across the bridge of my nose here. I take it all the way down to the tip. Now you can see how quickly and easily the mask applies with the brush. It just really kind of elevates the experience as well. So, this might be a good time if you have an old foundation brush that you haven't used in a while, give it a wash and bring it out to apply your skincare. Maybe a concealer brush. Now I can bring this up through my T-zone. Got a little bit extra there, but I can smooth that around with a brush. Really easy. And this is really fun too. It's almost like painting, It's like really relaxing. And since it's skincare and you're going to wash it off, it's not like there's like any pressure to make it look good, right? This is such a happy little mask. So chill. I like to apply it really thick because anytime I'm doing a nice healthy layer, I know those ingredients, there's going to be plenty of ingredients to go around, right? Like I want to make sure that I'm flooding my skin with all of these antioxidants, all of those superfoods. It's like, yeah, like I said, a yummy shake, right? Delish. Like, so for those of you that generally start your day with like a regular smoothie that you blend in the morning, maybe try a mask too. Like pop your mask on, make your smoothie, and you're getting a double smoothie. It's like smoothie on smoothies. Extra suave. Yummy. I don't know. Y'all are in my home with me really being a real dork. This is crazy. It's not. It's cute. It's fun. Okay, so I'm going to bring this around. Now I'm ready to set that to dry. I can go, like I said, make myself a smoothie or start the laundry or pop on my favorite TV show and just kind of chill, unwind, let my Moon Juice Super You kind of do its thing, and by the time I'm ready to wash my face, I'm ready to face the day. So actually, I think what I'm going to do while my mask is setting, I'm going to do a little bit of online shopping and take advantage of our free shipping code that's available in the description box below. Now, we realize a lot of you are shopping at home right now, and we want to help you out and make it a little bit easier for you. So definitely take advantage of that. Now, we've also got the spring savings event headed your way, so be sure to keep an eye out for big discounts. It's going to be a lot of fun. If you have any questions, as always, be sure to shout that out in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel so you can hang out with us here at Sephora. Until next time, ciao for now.